Ain't no party like the Darty party, cause the Darty party don't stop. Say what? Ain't no party like the Darty party, cause the Darty party don't stop. Say what? What is going on, YouTube? It is your girl Darty here. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy you decided to stop by to click on this video. Hope you guys enjoy my channel. Okay, so y'all like, sis, you look crazy. Baby girl, I know. Baby boy, I know. I look very crazy, very wild. But today's video, I'm coming with a hair video. I think I'm gonna start doing a little bit more hair videos just because I don't know how to do my hair and I just want y'all to experience this hot mess. Okay, so last night I washed my hair. I blow dried it and everything, and last night I did like the front section, and then this morning I did the back. Right now my parts are really not defined because I don't have no gel on it. I just parted my hair, but I don't know if y'all can see. My part's probably gonna look a little crazy, but it's cool though. I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to put in my hair first, and then when I get to the front of my hair, that's when I'm gonna come back to y'all. You feel me? Okay, so the oil that I put in my hair was this. I got this from Bath and Body Works. Just because this is a light oil, it's not very heavy on my hair, so I put this in. And I don't have any leave-in or anything, so I need something, you know, to back up the oil that's moisturizing. So I'm gonna use this. A review will be coming on this, so yeah, just wait on it. But I'm gonna be using this, just a little bit, not that much. Then I will be using this to sleek down my parts. I really love this gel, this jam. It really sleeks down because like EcoStyle and stuff don't do it. So yeah, I'll be using this. Then if I need my parts to be a little bit more straight, I'm gonna be using this right tail comb. Yes. And then I'm gonna be using this to, you know, make sure the part's good. Okay. And I will be adding some hair jewelry. Y'all know I had to get the hair jewelry. I don't know if I want to gold or silver. I might go back for the silver. I don't know. But yeah. And then we'll be using this brand of hair. I do not know how to say this brand. I'm not going to say it. So yeah. And as you can see, 3 come in it. And they're fairly, you know, a pretty good size. And this is pre-stretched hair. So yeah, so I got 5 packs, and then I do have some extra hair downstairs if I need to use it. But yeah, so I'm trying to get about 4 braids out of each. So hopefully I can get 4 braids. So yeah, y'all, I will catch y'all when I'm doing the front of this head, and y'all, I will be back. Who bald? Who bald headed? Nah, me, baby, because I got wet. Hang time. Check out my hang time. I can put it in a bun. What? Alright, y'all, but I'll be back with y'all. Whoa. Hey, y'all, it's me. I'm back. So I just completed the back row. Before I show y'all, don't roast me in the comments, okay? Because it's my first time. The only problem that I'm having right now is it tangling when I'm taking from another section. So other than that, it's cool. And I'm trying to see how thick that I need the braid to be because I want it to match my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all. I haven't even, okay, so they look like this. See, yeah, is that my natural hair? Yeah, my natural hair is picking out the braids. So I probably need to add like a little bit more hair to it or add some more gel. So yeah, I don't know how they look, but yeah. So yeah, that's how the back of my head look. It probably look crazy, but yeah, y'all, that's just a little update. And let let me get done with the rest of my head. Alright, as y'all can see, I am halfway done with my hair, and it's going on around about 5 o'clock, and all I have to do is the top, and then I'm done. So this is the back look. It probably look crazy, but it's cool though. As y'all can see, these are fairly medium size. These how the ends look. They didn't dip them, of course. So yeah, I check back with y'all when I'm doing these two right here. Whoa. Alright y'all, so I'm down to my last 2 braids. It took me about 9 hours to do my hair, 7 o'clock. So yeah, so we're just gonna get to it, okay? I already put my products and everything. I got the water boiling downstairs, so I'm gonna dip my ends, of course. Yeah, so all I do is basically, I did the rubber band method. Okay, so I just take the hair like this, and like to size it, I just did like this part of my finger or whatever, and I just sized it just like that. So yeah, and I used a total of 3 packs, and I got 5, so I didn't use 2 packs. So I'm gonna take them back to the store and probably just get some random hair store products. So what you do is you take the hair like this, and then you wrap it. Y'all, this is not how to braid, but you wrap it, and then you just start braiding. And my hair is the 3rd strand of hair. I'm gonna link the girl video down below so y'all can, okay, this is uneven, hold up. Make sure it's even. Okay, alright, so you wrap it. Then you just start braiding. I'm gonna link the girl video down below to show you the method that she did. So it should look something like that. So then I braid it down. Some of y'all may say I braid weird, but this is how I braid. And make sure you get the ends so they don't get tangled. So when I'm coming to like the end of my hair, which is right there, y'all can see this is the end of my hair. So I just take a little from both sections. And make sure I get all the way to the end. And then I just continue braiding. fool. What are we talking about? You cannot talk to me. You can't talk to me anyhow. Okay. Who need to go get that? Okay. Alright, y'all. So I got the hot water or whatever. I'm about to dip these ends. And I got a t-shirt to dry them. I don't know if you can see the steam. Yes, you can. So I'm gonna just do half of my head. And I'm just dump it down in the water. Yeah. So I'm gonna just take. Alright, y'all, so the ends are dipped. We're all good. The last thing I'm gonna do is probably just put some oil on my head, but put some oil between my scalp. So this is how the braids came out. I put my jewelry in. Might take some out if I feel like I have a lot of jewelry. But yeah, this is how they came out. I would say this is like not really large, but kind of large slash medium. I look really cute if you ask me. For my first time, I'm not gonna say I didn't do too bad, honestly. I probably just need to work on my parting, because honestly I can braid, as you can clearly see. So as long as I work on my parting, I should be straight. But like, I look good. Like, but yeah, my back is killing me and I still have to do homework. It's at 11:59, so y'all wish me luck on that. I wish I can go to sleep, but I can't. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Oh, let me show y'all the back. I don't know how the back look, so yeah. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post a video. Okay, put them on. All right, and remember to live your best life. And I'm out. Peace.